Welcome back to the ClonaDesk tutorial series. In this short tutorial, we're introducing you to a recently launched ClonaDesk feature, Parallel Access. Parallel Access allows you to remotely access and connect to more than one remote screen at the same time. This is a powerful tool for IT managers and support experts. This feature is majorly beneficial for multitasking, assisting customers, as well as overseeing transfer of important files, data, tasks, etc. Here's how you can use Parallel Access with ease in ClonaDesk. Step 1. Once you have logged into ClonaDesk and are on the home page, click on the Parallel Access option present in the left navigation bar on ClonaDesk's homepage. Step 2. On clicking the Parallel Access options, you will then have two parallel windows open on your desktop that will require of you to add the two separate unique IDs that you want to gain access to. Once you have typed in the unique ID, you will then be able to access and have control over both screens, assessing important fixes, performing important updates, looking over file transfers being done, and many other ways through which Parallel Access can be beneficial to you. And that's how access is now made easy with ClonaDesk's Parallel Access. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy remote accessing!